Lifeline Ponzi scheme. A WFAA investigation spurred federal agents to find out why a tiny town in Texas had hundreds of registered planes but no airport. The charges stem from a WFAA investigation that uncovered some very strange deals in Alaska. Investigative reporter Tanya Iser followed the trail from a small town in East Texas all the way to South America. So what happened today when the owner actually appeared in court?
That's right. She was in court, and today attorneys representing the owner of that company and her daughter, well, they were in a Plano federal court, and they were trying to get her statements and her daughter's statements tossed. I just want to show you some video. This is the first time we've seen Aircraft Guarantee Corp owner Deborah Mercer Irwin. It's the first time we've seen her in 4 years. Neither she nor her daughter, Kaylee Moffitt, would answer questions as they left this courthouse. The government alleges that Mercer Irwin and Moffitt put U.S. registered planes into the hands of narco traffickers and that they did it knowingly. They also allege that they ran a $350 million Ponzi scheme selling planes that either didn't exist or weren't for sale. Now, at today's hearing, the magistrate judge declined to toss their statements to investigators, and her attorneys also argued that the search warrant investigators obtained should be thrown out. They continued. They said that they contained factual misrepresentations and omissions of fact. The judge said she would rule Friday on whether to suppress that search warrant application that federal agents obtained. And based on what we heard today, it seems pretty unlikely that the judge would do so. She kept telling the defense attorneys that these are matters to be decided by a jury. Mercer Irwin and Moffitt are slated to go on trial next month in a federal courthouse in Sherman. Now let's take a listen to what Mercer Irwin's attorney had to say today.
Trial is set on April 10th, that's what I know. Just ready to get it behind us. Get to the truth of this case.
Now we'll have more about today's hearing on WFAA.com, and we'll be covering this trial as it unfolds next month in Sherman. Back to you.